Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel in Excel Lab. Today we are going to learn about sorting and filtering on Excel. So let's start with the video. So I have opened one sheet in front of you, can see, which is consisting of employee code, first name, last name, department, region, branch, hire date, salary. So here in the records you can see this employee codes are not in serially, right, arranged. So like it's 1000, then 1010, then 49, 47. So my target is here, I need to show this in serially. So how to do that? Select it, any cell you can select from this employee code and go to this data part, you can see, and then you can come here, sort, and just beside of it you can see A to Z or Z to A, right? So I'm just going for A to Z. Now you can see it has been arranged as serially, right? 1 2 3 4 like that. If I do just opposite, Z to A, so now it is arranged in descending order, right? Like 49, 48, 47 like that. And if I do it in ascending order, so this is my ascending order, right? From 0, 1, 2 like that. So like that you can do this one also. Again come to the data part and then come to the sorting. You can do A to Z. It will be arranged as, serially starting from A alphabet, and if you do opposite, it will be starting from Z to A, that means from W then T, like that it will be sorted. Same you can do for last name. Come here, do the sorting like this, and or this. Come here, any cell you can select, do the sorting like this, or say this. Again here, same way here, and again date you can do that, and this one has date from A to Z and from Z to A. So both the way you can do that. So like that sorting is taking part. Now we'll come to the filtering part. So you can see in data tab you can see sorting here and filtering here, right? So if I click here, you can see some icon has just shown up here. So this is kind of triangle, and this means filtering option is on place. Okay, now come to this department part. You can see, just click here and then remove this select all, and I want to see only for HR, IT and marketing. So click OK. Now you can say it is mixed up, right? It's not arranged properly. So how to do that? Now select here once again any of the cell of this department and go to this sorting part. You can see, so A to Z you can do. So now you can see HR department is separate, IT is separate, marketing is separate, right? So that's how we can do this. Now you may question here that what happened to other data? Is it deleted? No, it is not deleted, it is just hidden, because filter option is hiding the data, and what is required for us, we are just getting the data to see. So just come here, click here, you can see one option is there, clear filter from department. So if I do that, you can see all the data has come up again, right? So that's how we can do this. Now let's sort in region wise. Okay, so come here, click on this button, remove select all. I want to see only east and west. Click OK. So only east and west data is coming, and again you can do the same thing over here. Come here, sort once again A to Z, so it will show you like this. So that's how you can apply the filter and sorting over here as well. Now this is done as region wise, right? Now I want to do it in department wise as well. So come here, remove select all and tick finance and say marketing, just these two. Okay, so now I can question that how can I understand that filter is applied over here. So this is the icon, you can see funnel type of icon, so that means filter is applied over here. Now let's remove this two option and clear the filters. So I'm clearing the region and then again clearing the department. So now it is clear. Now let's come to salary part. Suppose my boss asked me, show me the records those who are between 50,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, so that record I need to fetch from here, because from here I can go and select one by one record, but that will be not healthy task, because it will be cumbersome. Now it is 50 records, I can do that from here also, but the thing is, if it is more than 1000 records, what will you do in that case? So in that case we need to use the advanced option. So for that we will go here number, okay, and then go to this. You can see greater than and greater than or equal to, but I will not select these two because greater than is more than 50,000 only it will show, or greater than or equal to means more than 50,000 or equals 50,000 it will show. So I want to see between, right? Because boss told me I want to see between 50,000 to 1 lakh salary range. So for that I select this one between, and I'll write here 50,000, okay, and between 1 lakh. So okay, click on OK. So you'll see the salary range like. Now also you can sort here, just select one cell and go this sorting, you can see in sorted way. So that's how you can do. Now again I'm clearing this filter. Now question may arise that whether I can use the filter option in text. Yes, we can use it. So if I come here, so you can say first name, if I select this one, and you can see here text filters, right? So here you can do equals, does not equal, begin with, end with, contains, does not contain, right? So what I'll do, suppose I want to see the names those begin with A. So let's write A, click OK. It will show you the name with A, okay. Again go here, text filter, and end with, say end with I want to see like E, okay. So it is showing. Now again go, say contain, suppose you should contain A and E, show me those names. So nothing is there. Again go here, again does not contain, I don't want to see the name content with I, click OK. So it will not give you the name content I. So again you can come here and short it, definitely that is possible. So that's how you can do. Now another question may arise whether I can do this by using color code. Yes, we can do that. So right now I have all the data with yellow color, so let me convert it with some of them green, okay. Now let's filter. So I'll come here, first name, and I am going by filter by color. You can see color code has come up. So I can come here and click on this. So you can see only color coded part will be shown over here, and you can again come here data part and then sort it like this. So it's up to you, or this, it's up to you how you can do. Again I want to see the records with filter with yellow color, no green color should be there, so only yellow color part has come up. Again you can sort it like here, this one. So that's what I can do. Now to clear the filter, either I have the option from here, clear the filter, you can see cross button over here, so click here, so it will be gone. So like that we can do. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another interesting topic of Excel. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. So thank you so much for being with me till the another video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another video. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.